Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are working on this 2018 Toyota Auris, and what we are doing is we are removing the rear power window switch. So what we need to do is we take our trim removal tool and remove this armrest carefully pry up like so, and then we remove the power window switch. Just gently pry up. Like so. And on the back side we have this connector. There's a tab we wanna push and pull the connector apart. That's it. And if you are replacing it, take our new switch, plug in the connector, put the switch in place, and we take the armrest and snap it in place. And now we can test the switch, make sure that it works like it should. Down and up. Yay! Sweet! Well guys, now you know how to remove the rear power window switch in this Toyota Auris. And please like and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next one. See ya!